Hello, welcome to the first video in our video series on how to create an informative outline using Format 2. In this video, I'll be covering the first items on an outline and the 4 elements of an introduction. Before we start the introduction, we must first add our name, date, and course time. Align these items to the right. Your title should represent the subject of your research. Center your title. Once you have decided on a title for the outline, next is the first 2 elements of the introduction, the attention getter and established credibility. Under the title, align to the right, add Roman numeral 1, then type introduction. Under the introduction, put capitalized A and a period. Press the space bar before typing the words attention getter, followed closely by a colon. Then, get creative. The attention getter is used to attract the audience's attention. Personal narratives, quotes, hypothetical stories, an example, and word pictures are just a few techniques used to grab your audience's attention. According to the textbook, Communication Principles for a Lifetime, published in 2019, it defines a word picture as a visual description that helps your listeners form a mental image by appealing to one or more of their senses, such as sight, sound, smell, touch, and even taste. Try using as many illustrating words as possible to keep the listener interested. Press enter when you are done with the attention getter. Type B and a period before typing established credibility. What is established credibility? The textbook Communications Principles for a Lifetime, published in 2019, defines it as emphasizing the credibility or ethical character of a speaker. Your audience will want to know, how do you know about your topic? You can achieve this by pulling from your research or using a personal narrative. Now that we've gone over the attention getter and established credibility, let us now look at the next 2 elements of the introduction, the link to audience and the central idea or thesis statement. Press enter before typing C and a period before typing next, the link to audience. What links you to your audience? Include links that connect you to your audience. This link is known as common ground. Common ground can also represent the link between you and the audience. For example, how does or will it benefit my audience? An uncommon subject might need additional background information or even for you to provide the definitions. Press enter when you are done with the link to audience. Then type D and a period before typing the central idea and thesis statement. Then you're going to type a preview statement of the main ideas. In this first video, we have gone over the first items of an outline and the 4 elements of the introduction. Attention getter, established credibility, link to audience, and your central idea and thesis statement. If a narrative was used in the attention getter, the link and or credibility has already been established with your audience.